Before going into poultry farming business, there are strategies you need to put in place. Poultry business is highly lucrative, it's highly profitable, and at the same time risky because it has to do with live birds. The livestock business. When you start a poultry farming business in any part of the world, make sure you understand the demand for your product. From chicken, meat to eggs, the market for your product, and the rest. The market for poultry products is strong, but knowing what people want is the key to the success of the business. It is also crucial to note that the demand for poultry products can fluctuate over time based on the factors such as consumer preferences, economic conditions, government policies, and the rest of them. Therefore, it is very important to stay informed about the market trends and be prepared to adopt the changes in demand. In this video, I'm going to give you few areas you can make money in poultry farming. Please, stay tuned. Watch this video till the end. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please kindly click the follow button. Follow us on Facebook page. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Poultry Site TV. Number 1. These are the following areas you can make money in poultry farming. Egg production. Poultry farming for egg is one of the most popular and profitable small-scale business idea. Eggs can be sold directly to consumers or to wholesalers and retailers. You can be an egg dealer, poultry egg dealer. You can buy your poultry eggs at a very cheap rate from the farms directly and sell to the wholesalers or to the retailers or even to hotels that need them most. You make a profit even more than the farm where you bought the eggs. Egg can be sold directly even to the consumers, thereby boycotting the wholesalers and making the profit. Number 2, the meat production. Raising poultry for meat is another way to make money in small-scale farming. Chickens, turkey, dog, and other type of birds are very important and a good source of meat to humanity. You can make money from selling the meat. You can kill them, slaughter them in parts, and sell directly to the consumers or sell to cold room owners. Thereby making a huge amount of money as well. The next one is broiler production. Broilers are chickens that are specifically raised for meat production. Broilers mature fast, quicker than any other poultry bird. They can reach the table size between the age of 6 weeks to 8 weeks depending on the species and your management scale. So you can rear broiler within 8 weeks and sell them for meat and make your money directly. Most especially during the festive period where the demand is very high. Number 4 is layer production. Layers are chickens that are specifically raised for egg production. They can be sold live or as an egg. Layers are highly capital intensive, because you need to spend consistently for more than 4 months before they start laying. Though some birds start laying at the age of 16 weeks, but before they will get to the peak, you must have fed them up to the 20th week to 24th week before you can start getting enough profit from your business. And as they start laying, they will lay consistently for more than 12 months. This is another source you can make money in poultry business. Next one is the hatchery operation. The hatchery section of the poultry farming business is the department that brings in new chicks into the market. They depend on the breeding and hatching of poultry eggs into day-old chicks. This is another area of money making in poultry business, because they determine the price of the poultry product in the market. The hatcheries sell at any price they want. That is why you see most of the season period, they sell day-old at the rate of 600 to 800 naira per one. And at the same product is sold at the rate of 200 to 250 naira per one. Another department is the feed production. You can bear with me that in poultry operation or poultry farming, 70% of the investment is on feed. You cannot farm your birds without feeding them. Therefore, you must always get customers to patronize your business if you are into feed production. So this is another area, another section that gives you very good and high profit. Number 7, poultry processing. Poultry processing is the process of converting poultry into products such as whole birds, cut and processed products like chicken barbecue and the rest of them. This is another section you can invest your money and still make enough profit. Number 8 is poultry equipment production. If you are technically inclined, you can go into this section of the poultry business by producing the equipment used in rearing the birds. Items like feeders, drinkers, cube, and nesting boxes. This is another section you make money in poultry. Number 9, poultry manure management. Poultry manure is high in nutrients and can be used as an organic manure. Many crop farmers prefer poultry waste in plantation. Many poultry dealers also buy these manures from different farms at a very low price and sell to the farmers directly at a very high price, therefore making huge amount of profit. The farmers themselves sell to them, believing that they have made money from the selling of their eggs and their chicken, So they can come down as low as any amount to dispose it. Some even give it out free to the dealers, and they will make huge amount of money through the farmers, because many farmers prefer poultry manure to industrial fertilizer. Poultry manure is a compost. Compost is a product resulting from the controlled biological decomposition of the chicken manure with litter. It has a nutrient value in the range of 1% nitrogen, 3% phosphorus, 1.5% potassium, plus a large number of micronutrients including boron, iron, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and the rest of them. Poultry manure improves the soil texture, water retention, soil aeration, and buffer the soil pH. Poultry manure replenishes soil organic matters, making the soil more naturally productive. Poultry manure is necessary for placing in tree planting holes, e.g. banana, citrus, ornament plant, and the rest of them. Therefore, going into the business is also advisable because you make huge amount of money because of the high demand, and the other sectors they can be applied. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If this is your first time of coming across this video, follow us on Facebook page, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Poultry Site TV. Thank you once again, and stick to the channel till I come your way once again with another interesting content. Bye.